So Libby, go ahead and start the generator, please.
Okay, I have to hit the heater first.
Right. Press the heater button for about 30 seconds. When we put the floorboards back, you'll have more elbow space.
Is that about 30?
Yep. Now,
Hit to start.
yep. Okay, so it's running. Already you can see the sound shield makes it a little bit quieter. So let's put the boat back together.
Stop it.
Leave it run.
This is which one? Starboard port.
Okay. Good. Okay, now I'll close this guy. You got it? Okay, what's next? Well, we can't fold that one down yet. Libby, can you help me with this one? And can you get on that side right there? Next time we'll know how to do it better. Okay, you got it? Lift it up and carry it backwards a little bit. Okay. Put it on the white part. Put on the white part. Okay. Paul, grab it. Okay, just wiggle it in place. Okay, shove it backwards. We've got a big crack back here. Shove it back. Okay, good deal. Now you can unsnap that and close that one.
Is he going to have room to get out?
Yeah, he can get out right there.
You gotta get it from there.
Okay, so let me get the two other pieces. This one must go here. And you may have to open that one. That's our learning mistake. You may have to open that one to get out. Okay, so you want to get out forward so you can step on that big shiny aluminum engine frame and where your right hand is. Okay, next time when you're holding on to the couch,
Yeah.
under the mattress there's a fiddle.
Okay.
See the little lip, the little wooden lip right there?
So hold on to that.
Yeah, the foam rubber doesn't do very well. Okay,
You got it?
Well, I don't want to get my fingers. Oh. Can I just drop it?
Gently.
okay, this is a nose breaker right there. Flip that down. We call it a nose breaker because if you're walking this way and you trip, you're going to fall and bust your elbow, your chin, or your nose.
Gotcha.
So there's your generator running with the sound shield on, with the floorboards closed. And let's go look at the exhaust. Walk around on the dock, I can see it better. Remember we saw the muffler? So that's where the generator is exhausting right there. So everything's looking good in ship shape.